2 weeks ago, I put out a video that talked about the 711L pin drivers, and I talked about that there's a great alternative to the pin drivers, which I figured out after I had completed the video, but I forgot to attach it to the video before I uploaded it. If you want to see the original one, please look here or look in the comments section because I will have a link there. But this is a great alternative video to the 711L pen driver. So thank you for hanging in there with me. See you in the future. It's a couple of days later than when I did the video, and I found out something. I was just sort of playing around. This is the pen driver from 711L, and this is the TS, and the TG is no different. But I found what I consider to be an interesting alternative to it. This is the Klein 32611P. I think that there's other ones that are like this. I think that there's 326600. I've had this for, I don't know, a year, and it goes into what I call my major tool bag. And I experienced with it for a while. I pulled it out to do a project. I rarely use this because I have just a small tool kit bag, and maybe I'll show that feature that I use 90+% of the time. I like this. The primary reason is that you can get into some pretty small places. This is that you can't get into with a regular screwdriver or with one of these right here, like this Hoto one. You can twist it and turn it, and it's got a cap on it. They say that it's a 13-in-1, but it has 10 precision bits, and there's 2 on each bit, so it's double-sided, and it fits in there very well. It also has got a magnet in there, and then there's 4 here. And depending on which version you get, I think there's 3 or 4 different versions of these, you get different sets of bits. And I'll put the bits that are here somewhere up here so that you can see them. But having this gives you 10 bits. It's not 24 bits, it's not 20 bits, but it's enough to get what 50 to 2/3 of the people really need to have. The interesting thing about this is that 2 things. One is that if you take this off, it comes off, and you can put this back in here. And so if you carry it inside your pocket or someplace you don't have to worry about it sticking you. The other piece is that this piece here is magnetic. So if you have something that is magnetic, you can pick it up. That makes this really a nice piece in and of itself. But I think that it's something that you should consider if you're considering one of the 711Ls is because it has, you take this out, and this is a 1/4-inch adapter. Yes, a 1/4-inch adapter right there. You have your 1/4-inch, and not only is it a 1/4-inch adapter that has little things that you can get on both sides, but you can use, this is a WeHa bit in here. You put the WeHa bit, and it's there. So you can use your WeHa bits here. Now, it may be a little hard to take out some of them initially, but they do come out. Let me grab a little pair of pliers. This one is a little hard to get out. And they do come out. But being able to use double-sided bits makes it an advantageous thing to use because that means that you can carry along less bits. These are your Gavinox Leatherman type bits. And so once again, you can carry a pack of those around with you. And they will stay. These are selling for around $15 versus the $40 is something that you may want to consider. I just figured that out, but just wanted to let you know.